Hudson, guess what we're making? Thai red curry chicken? Red Thai curry chicken?
Red Thai curry chicken. Red Thai curry chicken.
Red Thai curry chicken. Hello Squadies, welcome back for a brand new episode of Cooking Leanness. As you can see, I've got a whole bunch of leanness right in front of me. Everything here is lean, nutritious, and tasty. We're gonna put it all together to make a Thai red coconut curry. All right, before we get the lean party started, we need to get all our ingredients right. So you're gonna grab your red pepper and a orange pepper, and we're gonna slice them up. We're also gonna slice up a zucchini and dice up an onion, a white onion. Those are two peppers sliced. And then we're gonna dice up an onion. Now we're gonna slice the zucchini. Our next step is dicing the chicken. And you're gonna do about a pound of chicken. Pound of chicken again. This is a super good meal, not only taste-wise, but also meal prep-wise. Now it's time to get to cooking. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil are going into the pan, and we're gonna do it on medium heat, all right? Boom. There we go. Coconut oil is in. Then we're gonna add the chicken breast, onion, and chili paste. Okay. All right, now it's time for the chicken in the pan. Whoa! And we're also gonna add half a diced onion, just like this. Grab your onion. Go. Ooh. Last but not least, our chili paste. Ooh, there we go. So I'm bringing the heat. That's a lot of chilliness in there. There we go. All right, nice little mix there. Now, while the chicken is cooking up, we're gonna cook it through till it's no longer pink. We are just gonna dice up some garlic here. Again, this is something that you can play with. I'm gonna do 4 cloves of garlic. Once the chicken is no longer pink, we're gonna add the garlic, the sliced red pepper, sliced yellow pepper, and zucchini. Chicken is good to go, so we're gonna add the garlic. Get that garlic in there. Step 2, look at all these peppers. Ooh, just make it rain. Red and orange peppers. All right, and then we're gonna mix it up for a minute. While that is cooking up, you want to open your coconut milk. This is coconut milk. You can use light coconut milk. I wanna make this a little thicker. That's gonna be the difference. So I'm just bopping up half of it and then mix it all around. This is what we call a lean remix. Let that coconut milk dissipate throughout the pan. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to the leftover coconut milk. And we're gonna whisk it away. In there, mix it up, and then we're gonna add it back into the pan. So mix, mix, mix. Mix that leanness. Mix, mix, mix. Pour it in. Now we're gonna add 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Put that in there. There we go. 2 tablespoons there. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Just swizzle it. I call this the swizzle. Swizzly leanness. 2 tablespoons. And lime juice. I'm just gonna use half a lime. Oh, 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 oh. Barely lost it there. Squeeze it in. Okay, now we're gonna let simmer for 5 minutes. Like I promised in the beginning, I am cranking up the lean heat, so I'm adding some chopped chilies to be included in my garnish. Being 5 minutes now, so it's time for the finishing touches. Salt and pepper, my friends. Salt it up. Let's bring out those flavors a little bit more. Little bit of pepper. Whoop. And a little bit of sriracha. is optional. I'm gonna use it. Just a little bit. Try it a little bit, it's spicy. But we're gonna add a little bit of cilantro for garnishing and just show that special someone you're cooking this lean meal that you went the extra lean mile. They don't need to know that it only took, you know, well, actually, this secret's safe with me. I'm the only one who knows it took less than 20 minutes. They don't know that. They probably thought you spent all night slaving away on this meal. And they're gonna be like, wow, you're so nice, you're so amazing, thank you. And then the final lean step is a little bit of chopped chilies. Chopped chilies, like I said, I promised myself I'm bringing that lean heat. Gonna get these on there. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. One spicy Thai red coconut chicken curry. You can use this for meal prep. You can integrate this into your weekly eating and it'll keep your taste buds super happy. It'll keep that metabolism on fire and it'll keep your body full of nutrients. So let me know if you give this one a go, Squaddy, please. In the comments below. Also subscribe to the channel. And finally, if you are looking to get leaner, fitter, healthier for this summer, and most importantly, more confident, then please go to www.lean-squad.com and sign up for your own custom 90-day lean plan full of easy recipes like this tailored to your body. If you're crunched for time and looking to get healthier, please reach out to me and let's eat the leanness.